Hey everybody, it's Cybercat, and so today I'm going to be showing you my battle cats and all that. So I would really appreciate if you leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and all that. Let's see what I got today. I already have it, but let's see how much XP. I'm gonna trade it off. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show you my battle cats. I will show you the ones I already showed you because I want you to remember. Whatever. I got just cat, macho cat, all that. Tank cat, wall cat, and just just all these. I haven't done them yet. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you my battle cats and all of that. But once again, I would really appreciate if you leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell and all of that. But yeah. Got this person, her, got this, I upgraded him to that. I got a little baby, I got a little cat, and I got a little macho cat. I got a little Titan cat, and I got a little cow cat, and I have a little giraffe cat. And I got this person. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you a lot. Okay, I got Pogo cat, Will cat, Salon cat. I got a period cat. That pirate cat. Oh yeah, oops. There. Got a other mystery. I don't know why I called the other one a period, but whatever. I got a mystery cat. AKA, I don't have the cat yet. This is my mom's favorite cat. Just, I hate this one. Like, it's so stupid. Rocker cat, Mercat, Psycho cat, the magical spoon. I probably put a gif of a magical spoon somewhere. I don't know yet if I could even find a magical spoon for like the gifs or whatever. And yeah, DJ, they're called gifs, not gifs. I'm just kidding. He knows I'm joking, but okay. And then yeah, that, and then them. I'm trying to upgrade her and stuff. Okay. And I got this one. This is, I'm pretty sure this is my sister's favorite. I don't know. She just thinks it's funny looking. Okay, that cat. Bath cat. That cat. That cat. That cat. Mr. Armstrong cat. Them. Toaster. Or no, cat toaster. And then this person. And then I got this one. I got this one. And I got this one. Now we're going to the uber super rares. I have her. probably can't see her. Hold on. Okay, there. I upgraded her. But when I said a Psycho Cat and the Magical Spoon, I'm probably gonna put a GIF there when I said that and stuff. I'm not sure yet. Okay, it's kind of random. It's just this little cat and it turns into this thing. It's so random. Hold on. Okay. And then I have this cat. My friend said this was the second strongest of the game. I'm pretty sure that's what my friend said. Or it could just be the strongest, I don't know. This is the first one, and this is the second one. They look a little bit the same, but that's like, you know, and then there's more gold on him and stuff. And I don't think there's any more, except her. Yeah. I haven't upgraded. Oh, no, I have. Her, and then there. But yeah, that's all my battle cats right now. I still have to, you know. Oh, Gotamoto is back. Gotamoto is an old person, or what? What's his name again? Gotamoto? He's old now. I'm gonna have to make him go home. Bye. I don't need you. Okay. But, yeah. I'm most likely gonna put a GIF. Where is it? Here. I'm probably gonna put a GIF, like, right now, and the time that I showed you this guy, about a magical spoon. Never mind, his name is not what the heck, Never mind, his name is not Psycho Cat, it's gonna be the Magical Spoon Cat. Yeah, that's his new name, okay, guys? Oh, what the heck? But, yeah, that's all my cats. I'm about to make a Battle Cats video in a minute. Pretty sure I did 30... I think I did, like, 33 or 4 or 2. I know it's one of those, I think. Well, yeah. Hope you liked this video. Have a great day, and CyberCat is out. Bye!